Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up take profit on Coinbase. First, understand that a take profit order automatically sells your crypto when it reaches a specific price, helping you secure gains. This strategy is crucial for managing risk and locking in profits without constant monitoring. We will cover the entire process step by step, ensuring you can confidently implement this tool in your trading. To begin, log into your Coinbase account using your secure credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the trading section. You will then select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to trade, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. This action will bring you to the main trading interface where you can initiate various order types and manage your assets effectively. Next, within the trading interface, locate the order form and choose the sell option. You'll then select Limit Sell or Take Profit if available. Enter your desired profit price, for example, $25,000 for 1 Bitcoin. Finally, specify the exact amount of cryptocurrency you want to sell at that target price. Double-check these values carefully. Before finalizing, carefully review all the details of your take profit order. Confirm the cryptocurrency, the target price, and the amount to be sold. Ensure everything is accurate to avoid any errors. Once satisfied, confirm the order to activate it. Remember to monitor your active orders to stay informed about their status and execution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.